students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, okay, good morning students. Today we are going to see 10th chapter first one, relations and functions. First, what is relation? Relation means simply a set or collection of ordered pairs. So what it means that ordered pairs? Here you see 5 comma minus 2. In graph, what did you tell that? X coordinate and minus 2 is y coordinate. These are called pairs. Ordering pairs. Okay. Here you see next example. 4 comma 7 is an ordered pair. That is, the order is here represented by first element 4 and the second element is 7. The pair 7 comma 4 is not same as 4 comma 7 because that different ordering. That is 7 comma 4 is not equal to that 4 comma 7. Okay. Next, Cartesian product. That means A and B are two non-empty sets. Non-empty means it should have element. Okay. Then the set of all ordered pairs, that is A comma B, such that A belongs to A comma B belongs to B, is called the Cartesian product. We call it as cross product also. So it is denoted by A cross B. That notation, A cross B equal to set bracket of A comma B such that A belongs to A comma B belongs to B. Okay, we will see the example. A equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 and B equal to 2 comma 3. Then find A cross B and B cross A. A and B data are given. For easy understanding, you refer this. Here you see A cross B. First A elements and next B elements. You map to 1 comma 2 and also 1 comma 3. Next 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. Okay, close brackets. Next, B cross A means B elements first. B elements and A elements. As usual, you map to 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5. Okay, and next 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Understood? So from this, what we conclude? A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Here you see that elements and all. Okay, so we conclude that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay. Next, we have to find out n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A. Equal to n of A cross B means what you write? N of A into n of B. N means what? Cardinality. So how many numbers are there? 1, 3, 5. 3. So n of A is 3. And n of B is only 2 comma 3. 2. So n of A into n of B is what? 3 into 2 equal to 6 pairs here. N of B into N of A also, here 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay. Therefore, N of A cross B equal to N of A into N of B, or N of B cross A equal to N of B into N of A. It's only equal. Okay. But A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Keep it in mind. Okay, next question. If A cross B equal to bracket of 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 2 comma 5 comma 4. Find A and B. What is A? That here first element. 2 is the second element. So A is 3 comma 5. So you don't repeat the same number. So 3 comma 5. And B is 2 comma 4. Okay. Next you see the question. A equal to x belongs to n. N means what? Natural number. Such that 1 less than x less than 4. So natural numbers start with 1 comma 2 comma 3. It goes on infinity. And b equal to x belongs to w. That is whole number. 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma etc. 0 less than or equal to. That means you have to add that 0 also. Okay. X less than 2. And c equal to x belongs to n such that x less than 3. Verify that A cross B union C equal to, so you multiply A cross B, what is the symbol? Union A cross C. So we have to prove that. First, what are the elements in A, B, C? First you write it. So 1 less than x less than 4 means, so 1 after 2 comma 3 only. Okay. Next, 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 means you have to include 0 also, 0 comma 1. And C less than 3 natural number, so you write it 1 comma 2. Okay. So first you write the question A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. First we find out LHS B union C. Already you know that union of sets 0 comma 1 union 1 comma 2 means same number, means you don't repeat the same number, you write it once only. So 0 comma 1 comma 2 set brackets. And so A cross B union C means A, what are the elements? 2 comma 3 into 0 1 comma 2. Already I explained the before slide how will you pair it. 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 comma. Next 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Okay. So this is LHS. Okay. Next you see the RHS A cross B as usual. A is 2 comma 3 and B is 0 comma 1. So pair it 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 1. 3 comma 0 and 3 comma 1. Next A cross C. 2 comma 3 into 1 comma 2 set brackets. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Next A cross B union A cross C. So you union it. Okay. So you write it. So what are the elements? 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1 2 times, you write it only 1. 3 comma 0, write it. Next 2 comma 2. You write it in order or first you write it at this, no problem. 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 0. 3 comma 1 2 times, but you write it one time. 3 comma 1. After you see what are the remaining 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 2. You see that LHS side, LHS equal to here RHS. Therefore we verify A cross bracket of B union C closing bracket equal to A cross B union A cross C. Satisfied. Okay. So next one, find A cross B comma A cross A and B cross C. And given data, you see A equal to B equal to P comma Q. That means A also P comma Q and B also P comma Q. So you guess it. What will be the answer for 3? Guess and think. A cross B, first you say P comma P and P comma Q. And next Q parrot, Q comma P and Q comma Q. And A cross A also the same A cross B, and B cross A also same A cross B, because A and B are equal here. Okay, understood? Shall we go to the next question? Okay. A equal to M comma N, B equal to 5. That means, what is the answer? Here A have the elements, but B is, that is empty set, no elements. That means the cross product of the empty set and anything means the set have elements. His answer is only empty set. That is A equal to 5 or B equal to 5, anyone. 5 means that answer is A cross B equal to only 5. And B cross A also the same, 5 only. Okay. So take all the elements of each set and pair them, but null set has no elements. Take no elements and then pair them with the other set elements. This result in no pairs, which is to say a set with no members, which is to say the empty set. Okay, no pair. Therefore, A cross B also 5. B cross A also 5. And A cross A means what? M comma N, M comma N. Parrot, M comma M, M comma M. And N parrot, N comma M, N comma M. Clear? Next question. If A equal to 5 comma 6 set brackets and B equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 set brackets and C equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7. We have to show that A into A, that is A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. What is mean by intersection? Common element. Okay. So first you write it, given data. A cross A means already some sums we referred. So A cross A means here 5 comma 6 and next pair also 5 comma 6. 5 you map it. 5 you map it. 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. 6 map it. 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay. Next B cross B also same. 4 5 6. Here also 4 comma 5 comma 6. Pair it. 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 6. Next 5 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. Next 6 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. B cross B. So as usual you do it. C cross C you tell it. 5 comma 6 comma 7 cross 5 comma 6 comma 7. And pair it. 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. 5 comma 7. Next take 6th, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6 and 6 comma 7. Next 7 comma 5 and 7 comma 6 and 7 comma 7. Okay. A cross A is LHS. You see that first equation, and B cross B and C cross C intersection. In these two sets, we have to take the common element. You refer it. Any number? No. 5 comma 5. Okay. Here. Next 5 comma 6. Here also they common. And next what? 6 comma 5. Here also 6 comma. And 6 comma 6, 6 comma 6. Okay. So you refer it. First equation and second equation, that is equal only. That is LHS equal to RHS. That is A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross. Clear, students? Next example, A equal to X belongs to W such that X less than 2. That means what? Whole number. 2 less than means 0 comma 1. That is A equal to 0 comma 1. And B equal to natural number X belongs to 1 less than X less than 4 means what? 2 comma 3 less than or equal to 4. That means you have to take it to 4 also. So 2 comma 3 comma 4. Equal to means you take that number also. 2 comma 3 comma 4. And C equal to given 3 comma 5. As usual, A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay. So first left hand side you see B union C. What are the elements? Union 2 comma 3 comma 4. 3 is repeated. You write it only one time. So 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. That is A cross B union C means what? 0 comma 1 cross 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So pair it 0 comma 2 0 comma 3 0 comma 4 0 comma 5. And next 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 1 comma 5. Okay, this is left hand side equation 1. Next A cross B, you do it. A cross B, tell me 0 comma 2 0 comma 3 comma 0 comma 4. Okay, next 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4. Next A cross C 0 comma 3 0 comma 5 and 1 comma 3 1 comma 5. So union means join that ordering pair 0 comma 2, any repeated means you leave it. 0 comma 2 0 comma 3 0 comma 4 you write it. Okay, next 1 comma 2 also write it. 1 comma 3 1 comma 4. What are the left elements here? 0 comma 5. Okay, and 1 comma 5 also. You check it. Equation 1 is equal to or not? Yes, equal only. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Is it clear, students? Next question. Let A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural numbers start with 1. So, therefore, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. First recall it, what is prime number? 1 is not a prime or composite number. So a natural number greater than 1 having only 2 factors, namely 1 and the number itself. Okay, so if you take it 2, that is 1 is the factor and also that number 1 into 2, not other factors. So 1 is not a prime nor a composite number, 2 1 into 2 and 3 1 into 3, but 4 it's not a prime number, composite number, because 1 into 2 comma 2 into 2, more than 2 factors, and 5. Okay, 6 composite number and 7. So therefore B equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. C is the set of even prime number only one, that is 2. Okay, first you understand this and learn it after you do this. So LHS, what is LHS here? A into B minus C. What is B minus C? That is difference of sets. That is the difference of sets B and C means is the set of elements which are in B, not in C. So here B equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. C equal to 2. So cancel it 2 2. So what are the remaining? 3 comma 5 comma 7, which are in B, not in C. Okay. So therefore B minus C equal to 3 comma 5 comma 7. As usual, A cross B minus C. A is what? 1. B minus C 3 comma 5 comma 7. Pair it 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7, and 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 7. Next 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. Next 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 7. Next 5, 3, 5, 5 and 5, 7. Next 6, 3, 6, 5 and 6, 7. Next 7, 3 and 7, 5 and 7, 7. This is equation number 1, that is LHS. Okay. Next RHS, that is A cross B minus A cross C. So A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So you pair it as usual, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5 and 5, 7. Next 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Next A cross C equal to, it's only one term in C, so 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. So next A cross B minus A cross C means whatever in this B term you cancel it and remaining you write it the term. That is equivalent to equation 1 also. Therefore equation 1 and 2 is equal. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, clear students?